Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. The 12th question from the 3 questions. Okay, read the following conversation and the underlined sentence into reported speech. So reported speech, indirect speech ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. We will read the conversation first. The bearded man and the king. Okay, this is conversation between the bearded man and the king. The bearded man says, forgive me, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಅಂತ bearded man ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Then the king tells, I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for. ನನಗೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನನಗೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. The bearded man then says, you do not know me, but I know you. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? You do not know me, but I know you. ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, the underlined word is the bearded man says, you do not know me, but I know you. You have to convert it into reported speech or indirect speech. Okay, so they have given here, the bearded man told the king that dash. So ಈ dash ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು next sentence ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಾ? The bearded man ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, told the king that he did not know him. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಐ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಿಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರನೌನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. Indirect speech or reported speech means when you are describing the conversation between the two people or what the conversation he had told, that it becomes indirect speech. Okay, now, so the bearded man says, you do not know me, but I know you. When I am telling what the bearded man told, it is reported speech. Okay, so how will I tell this? The bearded man told the king that he did not know him. Okay, so this is indirect speech. Okay, now, so next,